So an owner or caretaker of a large animal during an emergency will be very concerned about the animal's welfare and safety. The person may not have experience within the incident command system and may not have the proper PPE either. An owner or caretaker, one of their responsibilities is, if they are on scene, instead of rushing in and trying to save the animal, their responsibility is to reach out within the incident command system and communicate their skill set and their ability to help. But they have to take into consideration the safety of people come first before animals, and if they rush in and focus on the animal, they could be putting themselves at risk and other people at risk. So they really have to be responsible and reach out to those in charge and not participate unless they are told that they can do so. They may be a resource that can communicate assistance if needed.